In this video, I'm going to show you how to create assessments using Edpuzzle. First thing you need to do is navigate to edpuzzle.com, and if you don't have an account, you can create one. If you do have one, you may go ahead and sign in. When you get there, you can click on My Content. So if you have not created any content before, this will obviously, there will be nothing here, but you do have the option to add content. So you can create a video, upload a video, student project, or a new folder. We're just going to go ahead and create a video. And there are different videos that you can search through. You can also filter them by subject. You also, if you look down on the left-hand side here, you have popular channels. So Edpuzzle, YouTube, Khan Academy, etc. So the video that I actually want to use for this is going to be from YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and click on YouTube, and then I'm going to search for it. So video I'm looking for is the Three Little Pigs. I want to scroll down to find this version of it. You'll also notice one nice thing on Edpuzzle is with this video, if I scroll down a little bit further, it shows how many video versions of this there are, who's created them, and you can click on those to kind of see what teachers have already done with this specific video. If you want to create one personal to you in your class, you can go ahead and edit it. And then you have the option to cut, if you want to cut the video down so it's not the full length. While you are creating your assessment, you have the option to add multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, and also just notes that would show up with the video. You also have the option to create voiceovers as well. So if you click play, you're able to start watching the videos. When you get to a specific point in the video where you want to add your questions, then you can just click on that. It was time for them to leave their home. So I'm going to find a spot later in the video and then add my first open-ended question. Okay, so I found the part of the YouTube video where I wanted to create my open-ended question. So I paused the video and I clicked on open-ended question, and I'm going to type my question in. My question is, what materials are required to build a house out of brick? You'll also notice you have the option to add a link or to add an image to your question as well. Go ahead and save that question. And then the video will continue to play. The question has also been added over here on the left-hand side. You see the question was added at 2 minutes and 37 seconds. It's an open-ended question, and you can see what my question is. So if I continue to play the video, I can get to the next spot where I want to add my next question.
Why would you bother with?
Okay, so I've typed my second question at 4 minutes and 26 seconds, and I'll go ahead and save that. You'll notice I have two questions here now, and it shows the time of when those are. Also on my video timeline, you can see where the questions occur on the video timeline. When you have all your questions or assessments in your video, you can go ahead and click on Finish. You'll notice that it has saved the video automatically. So if you were to exit out of Edpuzzle when you came back, it would still be there. You wouldn't lose your work. After you have saved your video, you have the option to go ahead and assign it. You can edit it. You can duplicate or delete it. So if you want to assign it to students, you can assign it to a class by adding a new class. Or if you just want the link, you can go ahead and copy the link and send that out to your students.